In this video, I'm going to show you how you can disable Fashion Glow app notifications. So if you are receiving a lot of alerts from this app, then follow the steps to disable them. If this video helps, please like and subscribe to this channel. All right, to achieve this, you need to go ahead and long press on your app to access its app info page. And you can see we have our app info here option that will take us to app info page. However, if you can't see this app info page option on your pop-up, you should see a settings gear or even the name of the app. Go ahead and tap on any of these to access Fashion Glow app information page. You can also access the same through settings. Once you are here, now go to permissions section on your phone and you should see notifications. You can see the current status of notification is yes, and if I tap on this, all these notifications are turned on. That's why you have been receiving those alerts. To disable them, instead of turning one by one off, you need to go ahead and just toggle off show notifications, and all the notifications such as permanent notifications, vibration, play sound, lock screen, floating, as well as notification badges will be disabled. From now henceforth, you'll never again receive alerts or notifications from this app. So that's how you can permanently disable Fashion Glow app notifications. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.